Welcome to Project Quality Management. How do you apply quality management in a pragmatic way? We've got three processes here: plan quality management, perform quality assurance, and control quality. Now, when you look at these three processes, they're very easy to understand. The first one is planning quality. So this is what you need to do. Get your team into a room, get everyone who is impacted by the project into a room, or on the phone, or via email, and ask the question: what quality standards do you feel we need to adhere to on this project? On some projects it might be an internal standard. Some other projects it might be an external one. But ultimately what you're doing in plan quality management is asking the question. You're being a little bit more deliberate than just, okay, we'll just start rolling with a project. You're deliberately asking, do you know any quality standards we need to adhere to? Maybe you even know the quality standards, but you want to make sure that everyone else is on the same page. Ultimately, you come out with a quality management plan. Your quality management plan is your roadmap for how quality will be managed on the project. After you come up with your quality management plan and your process improvement plan as well for how to improve quality on a project, you move into perform quality assurance. In perform quality assurance, what do? You check your processes. So as you're working through the project, don't just say, oh, work is going on, it's going on, it's going on. Yeah, work is going on, but is it going according to plan? Is it good? Are you carrying out the work the right way? Maybe there are standards or there are procedures that need to be carried out in a particular way. Your team needs to be doing that. So as the PM, you need to put people and processes in place to check the processes. Maybe it's a monthly thing, a weekly thing, a daily thing, but as work is being carried out, maybe it's being carried out in a controlled environment and people need to wear certain attire, certain headgear and so on to carry out the work, then you need to make sure those people are complying with the standards. And that's what perform quality assurance is all about. So I think it's very pragmatic to apply quality assurance on your projects. It's very pragmatic to check code being written and make sure code is being written the right way. And that takes us to our final one, quality control, or control quality. In control quality, the project manager and the team are checking the final deliverable. There's a difference between checking the work or the process and checking the product. So in control quality, you are checking the product to make sure that the product that has been produced or the products that have been produced are fit for use and conform to all requirements. And once you're sure about that, you get a validated deliverable, and that validated deliverable is simply one that has been checked by the customer. So we've got three processes here. I think they're all great ones to use: plan quality management, perform quality assurance, and control quality. If you're not using any of those, you might want to look more into it, get the team on the same page, educate people. You know, one of the big things about this whole PMBOK guide dogma is if you don't apply it, you forget it. If you don't use it, you lose it after a while. So why not train people in these simple ways of applying the PMBOK guide? Get your team on the same page, work on some of these processes, maybe not overkill. You know, you don't want to go through all of the 47 on every single project, but you might want to begin to expose them gradually, bit by bit, to these processes, and you'll find them more useful in that way. Next, we're going to talk about how to pragmatically apply human resource management.